We don't know where we're going and forgotten where we've been, but we just keep moving forward through the spaces in between. We've lost our sense of purpose, and I think we've lost our way. It all seems kinda pointless, but I'm just too scared to say. Baffled and befuddled, and we've always been this way. Bewilderbeests of the spaghetti plains. On another great migration, though we don't know where, my legs are getting tired, so why can't we stop here? Instead we keep on walking, no one's listening to me, so I guess I'll tag along with the herd mentality. Baffled and befuddled, and we've always been this way. Bewilderbeest of the spaghetti plains. I think I could be different to other bewilderbeests, where they just follow blindly. I complain at least. Sometimes it gets so boring, I'd like to run away, but then a lion would eat me. That's what everybody says. Baffled and befuddled, and we've always been this way. Bewilderbeest of the spaghetti plains.